3, 2, 1.
Why is it important to have a large sample size in an investigation? The answer is B, to increase the validity of the data. The Matterhorn is located in which range? The answer is B, Pyrenees. Which celestial body is composed mostly of iron and nickel? The answer is D, asteroid. What fills up a room but takes up no space? The answer is A, air. For which book did Ernest Hemingway win a Pulitzer Prize in 1953? The answer is B, The Old Man and the Sea. Which of Johann Strauss's sons became known as the Waltz King and was instrumental in popularizing the waltz in Vienna during the 19th century? The answer is A, Johann Strauss Roman II. Which artist painted the Mona Lisa? The answer is B, Leonardo da Vinci. Which architect designed the Eiffel Tower? The answer is A, Gustave Eiffel. Who is the only person to win Olympic gold medals in both Summer and Winter Olympics? The answer is A, Eddie Egan. Which of these levels is on both Star Wars, Battlefront 1 and 2? The answer is C, Camino. What is the protein that carries iron that binds with oxygen in red blood cells? The answer is C, hemoglobin. What famous explorer is credited with bringing to Italy the technique of making ice cream? The answer is C, Marco Polo. The E-Type is a classic car model from which British manufacturer? The answer is A, Jaguar. A hiker wants to know if air is warmer in a forest than in the nearby farm field. Which activity would best help the hiker find out which area is warmer? The answer is D, recording the temperatures at both locations. Which country had the first democratic election in 1952? The answer is C, Israel. Which galaxy is closest to our Milky Way galaxy? The answer is C, Large Magellanic Cloud. What kind of air does a continental polar air mass hold? The answer is C, cold dry air. I'm the winged messenger of the gods, swift as thought. Who am I? The answer is A, Hermes. The Matterhorn mountain resides in which country? The answer is A, Switzerland. What type of garment is typically worn by chefs in a kitchen? The answer is A. Overalls. Capillaries in the chorionic villi filter fetal wastes out of the blood and return clean, oxygenated blood to the fetus through what? The answer is A. Umbilical vein. What is the hottest star in our universe? The answer is B. Rigel. Which character is known as the ultimate ninja in a popular game? The answer is D. Naruto Uzumaki. Who was the first woman to break the sound barrier? The answer is A. Amelia Earhart. Which animal can rotate its stomach to digest cellulose? The answer is A. Koala. Which of the following groups did not have their own television variety show in the 1970s? The answer is B. The Village People. Which painter and founder of Cubism would not divorce his first wife, Olga Koklova, so she would not get half his wealth? The answer is B. Picasso. What type of character did director Martin Scorsese play in his 1976 movie Taxi Driver? The answer is C. Passenger in a taxi. What is the term for a country's currency falling in value relative to other currencies? The answer is D. Depreciation. She was only 4 ft 8.5 inches 1.43 m tall but won a gold medal in the 1996 Olympics vaulting with a wrenched ankle. What was her name? The answer is C. Carrie Strub. Who is known for the parable of the cave and the Republic? The answer is B. Plato. What is the smallest unit of life that can survive independently? The answer is C. Tissue. What is the sum of all interior angles in a square? The answer is A. 180 degrees. What actor plays the part of the homosexual artist Simon Bishop in the hit movie As Good as It Gets? The answer is B. Greg Kinnear. Which designer created the smoking jacket, a stylish tuxedo for women? The answer is B. Chanel. What is the traditional Mexican women's dress called? The answer is B. Hewable. Elements that specifically are noted to have properties of both metals and nonmetals are known as what? The answer is A. Metalloids. Who designed the first ready-to-wear line for Christian Dior? The answer is B. Coco Chanel. What is the most common file extension for JavaScript files? The answer is D.JS. In Angel and the Badman, the family that helps John Wayne when he was wounded belonged to what religion? The answer is D. Quaker. What is a pair of valence electrons in a bonded atom that does not participate in bonding called? The answer is C. Lone pair. What was the name of the CIA operation in which Bourne was involved in the film The Bourne Identity? The answer is B. Treadstone. How did Val Barlow die on the TV show Coronation Street? The answer is C. Electrocution. What is a pencil skirt named after? The answer is A. Pencil's shape. Which capital city is located on the Volta River? The answer is A. Accra. Animal cells perform functions using energy that is derived from glucose C6H12O6. Which molecule is required for animal cells to obtain the most energy possible from a molecule of glucose? The answer is B. Oxygen. If a scale factor is less than 1, what happens to the size of the image? The answer is C. It decreases. Bacteria reproduce through what process, where the chromosome copies itself, forming two genetically identical copies? The answer is A. Binary fission. Who had Solomon's wisdom, Hercules' strength, Atlas' stamina, Zeus' power, Achilles' courage, and Mercury's speed? The answer is D. Captain Marvel. Which city had the highest median income of any city in the USA for 2005?